Hey everyone, I made it into Burlington, so check this sandal out for $15. I haven't seen this one. They also have it in silver. That is a new one. DKNY for $12. Some new boots all chained up. That's kind of cool. It does have a heel. These are only $25. Juicy Couture, kind of like bear claws, like a little ankle one. Fur on the inside. These are only $20. Keep yourself cozy. Home slippers for when it gets colder. Some more blinged out boots for $25. Another Juicy Couture in pink. Got that pink leopard. $18. This might be by Sam Edelman, I believe. Yep. And Klein Sport. Got your animal print in the back. It's gonna be a wedge. A little mini wedge. No idea on this price. $30. A G by Guess. A little booty. Got the buckle right at the bottom. More mud. This one out by Mud. Had the chains for only $25. I spotted a few boots here. Got the long one. $23. This one's the heel by 9 West for $30. $29.99. Kind of like that scrunchy you know, leopard boot with the wedge for $25. No idea who makes this one, but check this one out. It's gonna come all the way like to your thigh. These are $25. This is a great one. Let's see, BB for $15. Blinged out at the bottom. You have some joggers. Calvin Klein little cardigan. This is actually really nice. $25. And you know what? I wonder if they have a black one. That would be nice too for work. There's a button-up one for $28 and $20 for the pant. Check this coat out. Faux leather for $30. Who makes this? Oh, by Tahari. Suede Calvin Klein pull-on in the green. You know what? This is quite nice. For only $20. Can you believe that? That is not bad. Some more Calvin Klein for $25. Like a white hoodie. Very lightweight. Some more Calvin Klein. This one's going to be a little thicker. I also have it in black. A few coats, $30. It looks like the brand is called Alice Blue. Outwear jacket by Ashley. No idea on the price. It's actually kind of nice. We have a skirt for $11. Kenneth Cole jacket. 2 pockets right in the front. Oh my goodness. The jackets are out. Here's a Guess one. Fur on the hood. This one, let me check for you. Let's see. $59.99. Are you guys ready for winter? We only get snow up north. $17. This will be if you're going to the snow. Here, you probably just maybe need a raincoat. And $70. Not like a thick one. This Tommy one. They're always gonna have tons of Tommy. Another Anne Klein. So we have 2 zippers. Here's the front. Then you open it and then you got another zipper. It doesn't come off or anything. It's Calvin Klein. Look at this one by Love Tree. 2 pockets that are gonna button right in the front. This is only $15. And this baby blue one, it comes with the bag to put it in for $30. like a little scrunch up one. $40. And Tommy, yep. Large zipper right here in the front, and then you get the other one on the inside. Here's some Puma. The brand is Snobbish. I like this yellow. It's a little jacket for $25. Let me find out by, oh, here's the brand. And $20, same brand. Kind of like a green snake print. And $20. I'm loving all the different styles. That's one thing about Burlington. I feel like there's just something for everybody, you know what I mean? They have all types to choose from. Also comes in black. New Balance, I like this pop of color. Oh, the prices are all the way down here. $25. That's cute. And $13. It's another Calvin Klein. It's a cute little heart one for $17. And $10 for the red cardigan. There's a lot of Anne Klein, plenty of Anne Klein. $25, kind of like in this blue, 2 pockets right at the bottom. This one's $9. $9 in the gray. The buttons are like little mini flowers. I wish it didn't have the polka dot right there, because I think it'd be kind of cute. Oh look, they also have it in black. And here's a pinky one. Coats for children, DKNY already. Well, I guess it's time to stock up. Look at the inside of this one. $25 by Kenzie Girl. Little soap dispensers are $8. Oh, little scarecrow man. It's kind of cute. Some fall shower curtains. I was hoping that maybe you see like fall or like Halloween type of items in the bathroom decor. Not yet. Let me walk down here. Here's one Snoopy. Looks like Adidas, a long sleeve, $13. The little boy department, they have quite a bit. Oh, look at the Halloween scrubs. Okay, if you're needing something, they do have scrubs here. Let's see, trick or treat, you get 8 for $4. And 6, we have dancing skeletons for $4. Oh, what is this over here? Welcome. And I'm here for the booze. Okay, I'm over the normies, and I think I might be over that saying. I'm here for the booze. More booze, please. And then our favorite saying, you know we love it. Hey, $5. I mean, you could cover this with like those little pumpkin potpourris and dried flowers. And then give thanks in the back. Oh, give thanks. Yeah. Oh gosh. I got it. Hey, Libby. How many do you get? You get, okay, only one. A 2-quart for $5. Here's a pie one. You will get 2 for $6, so not bad. Holiday season comes around, you know how you accidentally leave something and you might not want to go back and get it. There you go. These are $9. See, oh, look at this one. Tiny handle too, $4. It's a really tiny one. $9. And check this one out. They have quite a bit of selection here today. So this blinged out welcome with the pumpkin at $13. So I don't see anything new for Halloween. Well, the spider is new. Kind of funny because like the tag says give thanks. Like everything should be a gift. $13 for that one. And this is only $10 with the candle. These are cute, $5. So like on that little tray to cover up thankful, grateful if you don't like it. Oh yeah, these would go perfectly. This one's gonna be $8.
I'd like to see the plants that we'll have this crap off of before they dry.
Oh yeah. Apple pie. And I don't see anything too new over here in the wall art. You had those lips on top, Avengers of course. We always could find that here. And a lot of the word sayings, if you're over that. Let me go down here. Nobody's down here. I could walk. Let's see, the fashion shoes. These are 10. They're Valentino, they say. Hustle, grind, execute. That's a new one. Pretty colors for 15, and you will get 3. These are 10, of course. We've seen these before. That's a different style. You do get underwear. These are by the brand French Affair. Looks like some are red tag for 7. There we go. Here's like one Halloween pajama. You've been ghosted. And then here's another scrub. Looks like they're eating cereal. Yeah, the skeletons are eating cereal. Tons of shoes for children. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. Okay, they're bringing out the boots. You know what's funny? I feel like for children, they bring out much cuter shoes, right? They get like all the name brand. $25, a little 9 West boot. Found the Nickelodeon, a bucket hat, just randomly in the children department. It's like one little beanie, reminds me of Home Alone on top, where he's like running from the where he gets toothpaste or the toothbrush. Yeah. And toys. I don't see anything new. I think this might do it for Burlington, you guys. Nothing too new in this location. There's another one in Phoenix. That one normally has like really good toys. You can find some odd stuff in there. Looks like some stocking stuffer ideas. Take a look at some jewelry before we leave. We have BB. Oh yeah. So necklace for 10. XOXO. Let me bring this one out. $8. Here's some hoops for $5.99. Little hearts on this one. Alright, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for this walkthrough in this Burlington location. $5.99. And then cucumber, same price. We also have aloe. This is watermelon and pineapple face mist. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's just weird. This is normally filled in because Burlington is known for like tons and tons of face products. Like there's so much to choose from. It is crazy. Here's a jelly one. Alright you guys, please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.